What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be revealing my new part for the S2000, kind of cleaning it up and removing the old one and installing. So stay tuned. So here we have the new / used, new to me but used. This is the J's Racing 70RR exhaust. It's not titanium, it's stainless, but it's got the turn down tip, which is like my favorite. So I gotta clean it up and kind of put the burnt finish back on it if possible. So let's get to it. Alright, so I got some engine degreaser. Hopefully this will clean it up a little bit. It's pretty caked up. You guys can see it's got like this rough texture to it. So it's been on the car for a little while. So I'm trying to clean it up as best I can. Not so much this area. No one's really gonna see that. They're just gonna really see the actual tip. So let's try to degrease this and then wash it off and scrub it. Try not to scratch it too much. Alright guys, so I've been trying to clean this damn thing and didn't get too far with it. Took a break, went to Walmart, tried to grab some other cleaning materials and stuff. Didn't work out. So I tried my best, shined up a little bit. You know, I got a little bit of the crustiness off of it, but I just want to get this exhaust on the car and see how it sounds. So I'm just gonna give you a little look at how it looks right now. Maybe down the road I'll clean it again, who knows. But here's what it looks like. So right here is the most important part. There's like this weird kind of texture, something on here, and let's see if we focus here. Yeah, and it's just like not coming off, but it's whatever. Maybe another day I'll be able to shine her up a little bit more, but let's work on getting this thing on the car. So this is the first half. It bolts up to the diff up there. Let's see if I can make it a little bit brighter here. Oh, it's darker. There we go. There we go. Yep. And then it goes to the resonator, and then from the resonator it'll go into the test pipe right there. So I gotta take all that off, and then the new used exhaust can go in. So let's get to it.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. got all the pieces out. Test pipe, the resonator section, and then the muffler. I gotta get the hangers off, and then for my test pipe, gotta get this O2 sensor spacer out, because I need that for the new one that's going in to space out my O2 sensor, so that it doesn't throw a check engine light, of course. Up here in Pennsylvania, we have emissions, so fucking sucks. But all right.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
All right, got it installed. It was such an easy install. Don't mind that dent. But let's go ahead and start it up and see how she sounds. Oh my God. It's obnoxious. I'm taking it out to my buddy's house right now so he can check it out. You guys probably can't even hear me. This thing's obnoxiously loud. I don't know whether if I want to sell my HKS or just keep the J's. Like, I like the J's because like the top end, like the higher RPMs, it sounds great. But man, this thing's so obnoxious. So let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the J's or should I keep the HKS? I have a buyer lined up for the HKS already, but this J's Racing is just obnoxious. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. So let me know what you guys think. Alright, I just parked the car. It's idling right now. It looks great. I'm gonna show you guys here. It looks great. Don't get me wrong. I gotta take this HKS sticker off. But she looks good. But I don't know. I just something about it. Yeah, I still gotta clean it a little bit more and get that burnt finish back on there. So I'll do that another time. I got some other stuff to do tonight, but it sounds good in VTEC. But other than that, that's where I'm gonna end it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Would you guys rather have the HKS or the J's Racing? Let me know. Peace.